When it comes to reliable backup power, control matters. This is the manual transfer switch lineup from Nature's Generator, built to safely connect your home to backup power when you need it most. With 5 different options available, there's a solution designed to match a variety of home power needs. Our manual transfer switches range from compact 4-circuit 120-volt models for essential backup, all the way up to 12-circuit 240-volt systems designed for larger homes and higher demand appliances. Depending on your setup, you can choose between standard 120-volt connections or full 120/240-volt configurations, with 30 amp and 50 amp options available for increased power capacity. As you move up in the lineup, you gain more circuit coverage, support for larger 240-volt loads, and heavier duty locking inlet connections for more robust generator systems. Each manual transfer switch comes with its own compatible inlet connection designed to match your generator and home setup. From standard 120-volt plugs to heavy-duty locking 240-volt inlets, every model ensures a secure, reliable connection. This makes it easy to safely power your circuits whether you are running essential lights and outlets or larger 240-volt appliances, giving you flexibility and peace of mind no matter which switch you choose. And that's the complete lineup for manual transfer switches from Nature's Generator. Visit naturesgenerator.com or follow us at Nature's Generator to learn more.